Your ads are running, your agency is sending you reports, and your content calendar is pretty much full. So, why is your revenue still stuck? That very question built brand boost. Most agencies get paid when they deliver their work, not when you make money. And honestly, that single disconnect is why so many businesses feel like marketing doesn't work. Because the reports are looking good, the engagement is growing, and the campaigns are very active. And 6 months later, the business is still in the same place. We know this because early on we were that agency. Our work was clean, the decks were beautiful, the reports were very detailed, and a client left us because their revenue did not grow. And that was the last time we confused deliverables with results. I am Swasti. This is Brand Blues. And in this video, we'll show you the difference between running campaigns and building an actual revenue system. Here's something no agency will ever put in their proposal. Agencies optimize for what they can measure: impressions, click rates, posts published. And look, those things do matter. I'm just saying none of them directly pay your salary. This is where most businesses get trapped because your agency sends you a report every month. It shows green numbers, the campaigns are running, the content is going out, but your business remains the same. Why? Because the metrics that they track and the revenue you need are two completely different conversations, maybe related, but still different. The best agencies do not ask, did the post perform? They ask, did the post move a customer closer to paying? That is a gap. That is the gap where you lose money. Let me just stop talking in concepts. Let me show you what happens when you close that gap. Let me show you what building a system and a campaign actually looks like in practice. We are Brand Blues. We run on two engines. The first is the service business. We build websites, run your ads, manage your social media, handle your SEO, produce content, and this is the part that most agencies cannot offer. We build softwares as well. The second engine is education. That is what this YouTube channel is basically about. Every week, we'll share exactly what works, frameworks from actual client work, not textbooks. Most agencies will only have the first engine, which means if they stop working, the revenue stops. We are building something different. A company that generates value whether or not we are actively involved in your project. Let's skip the theory. Let me stop talking in concepts. Let me show you what this actually looks like. Here is what our work actually looks like. This coaching brand came to us with two problems. First problem, zero organic presence, no search ranking, no Google business profile visibility, no blog strategy. Everything they were doing was boosting their meta posts to the meta ad platform, which means the moment that they paused their budget, they disappeared from the internet. Second, and this honestly, this surprised us, their operations were a disaster. Student marks were tracked in spreadsheets, attendance was managed over WhatsApp groups, and for something known as a tuition center or a coaching institute, they had absolutely no previous record of their results as well because the spreadsheets were gone. Class notices were going to the wrong parents every week. Imagine your child is told your class is postponed, but actually you had a test and your friend's class was postponed. So, what does that feel like? Every week was a chaos management exercise because they were not even thinking about marketing. We told them that the biggest thing blocking your growth is not your ad account, it's your operations. We get you leads, you get student enrollments, but your internal system is broken, so you're going to lose half of them anyway, right? We built both. On the marketing side, a new SEO optimized landing page, a complete Google business profile overhaul, categories, photos, question and answers, posts, everything. Weekly blogs targeting long tail search terms, a backlink strategy targeting relevant directories and guest posts. On the operations side, we scoped and built them a custom student management system from scratch. Next.js, React, Supabase, SQL, tracking their marks, attendances, notices, everything in one place deployed on Vercel. It's still running for them today, and it's honestly made their life way easier. The result, if you may ask, 200 times return on their SEO investment. For context, the average agency case study shows 3 to 5%, 3 to 5 times returns. Some claim 10 times. This was 200 times. And I'm not kidding. Organic became their number one lead source within 2 months of us starting. Imagine what we could do in the longer run with them. One partner, marketing, content, SEO, and the software that runs their operations, one invoice. Zero coordination overhead between 5 different vendors. This is how BrandBlues makes lives easier. Second client, an EdTech, 25,000 in ad spend, 2.5 lakhs in sales, a 10 times return. But here's the thing, the ads did not change. We did not touch the budget. We did not redesign the creatives. We fixed what happened after the click. They were running ads to a generic landing page, 6 fields, 1 submit button, then silence for 3 days. Then a cold sales call to someone who had already forgotten that they had inquired. We changed 3 things. 1. Outcome-led landing page. The headline now told the student exactly what they could do after the course, not what the course contained. 2. A 3-field form. Name, phone number, and a qualifying question. And the third, instant WhatsApp confirmation followed by a nurture sequence before any sales call happened. We increased the number of touch points that the customer got in their customer journey before they even became a customer. Same ad, same budget, 10 times the revenue. That is a conversion system. That is what we mean when we say that we build revenue systems, not campaigns. I am now going to show you the 5 systems most businesses have, 1 or 2 of them, mind you. The missing ones is where the revenue is leaking. And here's the thing, you do not need all 5 on one day, but you need to know which ones you are missing, because they are not problems for later. They are those problems that you have present right now. System 1 is traffic. SEO plus paid ads. SEO is the slowest system in this list. It takes 6 months before you can even feel it. But it is the only system that actually compounds. Every blog you write, every backlink you earn, every Google business profile optimization you make, it keeps working even after you stop paying for it. Ads, on the other hand, is completely opposite. They're fast. You can have leads tomorrow if your funnel is right, but the moment you pause the budget, you disappear. You are renting attention, not owning it. The businesses that win long term are not the ones with the biggest ad budget. It's the one that owns its category in searches. Build both, but do not mistake renting for owning. Second, we have conversion. Landing pages plus funnels. This is where most businesses leak 60% of their potential revenue. Not in the ad, after the ad. We have audited over 50 funnels. The problem is almost never the targeting. It is almost never the creative as well. It is the page itself. It is the form. It is the silence after someone fills in the details and does not hear from anyone from the business for 3 days. Revenue does not come from better ads. It comes from what happens after the click. So you should fix your page before you fix your ads. System 3 is trust. Content plus social proof. A warm prospect closes in one call. A cold one takes 5. Okay. Content is not something that builds followers, it just builds trust. And trust is the only thing that shortens your sales cycle without you having to lower your price. Most brands post content to get likes. We create content to reduce the number of sales calls it takes to close a client. Listen to that again. Most brands post content to get likes. We create content to reduce the number of sales calls it takes to close a client. Your content is not a marketing channel. It is a pre-sales conversation you are having at scale. Number 4 is retention. This is the system that everyone ignores until they really need it. And usually they need it when acquisition costs triple and they realize that they've been reacquiring the same person, the same customer over and over again. A 5% worth of improvement in retention is worth more than 20% improvement in a new customer acquisition. System 5 is product. Offers plus your pricing. This is the system that makes you recession proof also. Services will stop when you stop working, but an ebook or a course or a SaaS product or a physical product, these can generate revenue for you even at 3 a.m., even when you are asleep. We are building this exact system for Brand Blues right now, not because we need revenue, but because we want to serve founders who cannot afford a full retainer yet, but want to understand their growth deeply enough to execute it themselves. The goal is not to work more hours. The goal is to build something that earns when you are not even in the room. So before I tell you how to work with us, let me be honest about who we should not work with. We are not for founders who want a quick fix. We are not for brands that want 100 reels a month with no strategy behind them. We are not for businesses that want us to justify a decision that they have made. We are for founders who understand that growth is a system, that it takes 90 days to see the first results, and that the best ROI they will ever get is from a partner who will understand their business, not just their social media calendar. If that is you, here's how we work together. We offer something called a growth audit. It's a deep dive into your ads, your funnel, your SEO, landing pages, content, everything. You get a full breakdown of what is broken, what to fix, and in what order to fix it. And if you move forward with us, that fee is adjusted against your first month. If you decide not to move forward, the report is still yours. Take it to any other agency, execute it yourself, the information doesn't disappear. What matters is that your business improves and you get the results that you've been desiring for and the life that you need for yourself. We have 2 audit spots open each month. Not 10, just 2. Customized for you, personalized for you, giving you all the time that you need. DM me the word audit on Instagram or LinkedIn, or just comment it down below. Doesn't matter. I will come back to you within 24 hours. If you are not ready for the audit yet, but that is also still fine. Subscribe with us, stay on this channel. We will keep putting out frameworks and real numbers every week for free until you are ready. So I'll see you next week. This is Swasti signing off, Team Brand Wheels.